parts are pretty durable. I mean, it's ABS plastic.
220 degrees Celsius, and pushes it out the nozzle, and then it draws like a line, and then representing one layer of the object. And then the platform lowers.
It's actually a much harder, much harder nut to crack than we thought. We thought, oh, like grind it up in a coffee grinder, heat it up, and squirt it out. We found that for the machine to print well, the filament has to be a very precise diameter for its entire length.
Okay.
So to do that, you need something that not just extrudes, but then measures and restretches the filament as well. We're still, it's something we would love to see. It's pretty standard, engineering and entertainment plastic.